Good afternoon, class. Now, in this class, we shall discuss about the ecological pyramids and ecological succession. Now, ecological pyramid. So here, ecological pyramids means the transfer of energy in the different trophic level is called as ecological pyramid. So here, the transfer of energy in the different trophic level is called as ecological pyramids. So here the ecological pyramids is being given on the basis of three types. So here the basis of this pyramidal construction is being taken in the form of three types. So on the basis of number, biomass and energy. Number, biomass and energy. So, in ecological pyramids nalli ನಾವು number, biomass ಮತ್ತೆ energy ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೋಫಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರೋಫಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು we will construct a pyramid here. So here the types of pyramids, so here that is the types of pyramids are first one is upright, inverted and spindle shape. Okay, upright, inverted and spindle shape. Here upright means it is in this form where it is in the triangle form. So we can see that in the base it is of more. Okay, so whatever the lowermost trophic level occupies the more number in the lower trophic level. So as we go on, the number or the biomass or the energy, it will keep on decreasing. So this one it is upright. So next one it is inverted. So this it is inverted. The lowermost trophic level it occupies the lesser space, whereas the highermost trophic level it occupies the more space. In the spindle, okay, so here it is in this form, okay, where the middle trophic level is occupying the more space, whereas the lower and the higher trophic level is of less. So these are the types of pyramid. One is upright, inverted and spindle. So ecological pyramid andre so energy one trophic level inda innondu trophic level ge ಏನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್, ಬಯೋಮಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಬಯೋಮಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ as ecological pyramids. Okay, so this pyramids three shapes are there. One is upright and another one is inverted and third one is spindle. Now let's take here that is in the ecological pyramid first one ecological pyramid of biomass, number, second one biomass and third one is the energy. Now let's see, considering the major factor, okay, considering the factor of number. Now let's see how to construct the pyramid here. So ecological pyramid. So first one is number. So on the basis of number, ecological pyramid, okay, on the basis of number ecological pyramid, we shall understand this with an example. Okay, we shall understand it with an example. So here, the example here, first let's take about the grassland. Okay, so first example, it is grassland. Okay, now let's consider here, in the grassland, the lowermost trophic level, okay, the lowermost trophic level, it will be the producers. So lowermost trophic levels are producers like autotrophs. So this is T1. So grassland only. So first trophic level yavadu varutte, producers like grasses, herbs, shrubs. Okay, so this producers and followed by this producers will be primary consumers. Okay, it is primary consumer, which is T2. And followed by this, it is a tertiary consumer. It is T3. So here the example is grass, and here the example we shall take it as D, and here the line. So now ಈ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಸ್, ಡೀರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ we have took the food chain. Now the number of a grass will be more when compared to the number of a deer, right? So grass number ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the number space occupied is more. So next it is followed by deer. Okay, generally we are taking the example. So here in the deer, the number will be less when compared to the grass. And next the lion, that is tertiary trophic level. In the lion, the number it is still more less when we compare from the deer. So this is this pyramid. Okay, it is in the form of a, so here it is in the form of what? It is in the form of upright pyramid. Okay, it is in the form of upright pyramid. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ is of upright pyramid. Okay? So it is upright pyramid. Now this is first example. Second example, we should take it in a ocean. Okay, second example, we should take it in a ocean. Now here in the ocean, the producers are, okay, so here in the ocean, the producers, okay, producers are phytoplanktons. Okay, so the producers are phytoplanktons. So this followed by producers is the small fishes. Okay, it is small fishes. So the small fishes, it will feed on the producers. And next this followed by the small fishes, it is of a large fish. Okay, so when the ocean only producers, okay, producers are what here? So producers are phytoplanktons. What it is? Phytoplanktons. So this is the tertiary one. So first trophic level, second trophic level, and third trophic level. Now the number of producers in a ocean, it is billions in number. Okay, so ocean ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಟಾನ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ಓಷನ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಫೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಿಶಸ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಿಶಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು ಫೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಟಾನ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಫಿಶಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಿಶಸ್ಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಿಶಸ್ ನ ಫುಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಫಿಶ್ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು this one will be the pyramid of a ocean, okay, of a ocean where we are considering the number. So here also it is a upright pyramid, okay, it is upright pyramid. So here same in the number we should take another example. It is so the third example we should take it in a tree, okay. So ega one tree we are considering a single tree here. So here the tree, so this is a tree will be the producers. So we can see that the number of this tree is just 1, okay. So on this tree there will be the okay, on this tree there will be some of the insects or birds, okay. So even the tree nalli ಕೆಲವೊಂದು insects ಮತ್ತೆ birds ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So tree ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, it is just 1, but insects ಮತ್ತೆ birds ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ so ಅದರದ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, it is more than 1, means what, the number size has been increased. So next on the same tree, okay, so there will be some of the snake or some vultures, okay, snake, vulture. So when we take the count of this snake or vulture, the number it will be less, like it might be 1 or 2, so it will be almost similar to this tree. So here the number it will be 1, but if we take the next trophic level, okay, in T2 the insects or the birds number it will be increased. So next followed by this the snakes, vulture, which is which feeds on this insects and birds, so hence and again their number it will get decreased. So this time it is of which type of pyramid, it is spindle pyramid, okay. So it is of spindle pyramid. So this was about the number pyramid, where we took the example of grassland, which was a upright pyramid, and next in the ocean was also a upright pyramid, and next is if we take a example of tree, so here it was a spindle pyramid. Now let's take this second one, that is biomass pyramid. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಯೋಮಾಸ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಬಯೋಮಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನೆಟ್ weight, okay, it is a total weight of a organism or the total dry weight of a organism. So weight ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ biomass pyramid anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, okay. So here we should take here the example, we should take the example of a grassland, or we should take the example of a ocean here, okay. Now in the ocean the producers are phytoplanktons, next is followed by small fishes and large fishes, but now idರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು weight ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So phytoplanktons are it is quite it is microscopic, though it is of billions in number, the weight it will remain less alva. So weight ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so weight will remain less over here. So here in the producers, okay, that is T1 producers, it is less, followed by this is a large fishes, okay, sorry, small fishes, and next there will be the large fishes. So now on the ocean ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ weight ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ based on the basis of biomass of the weight. So producer the weight ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, followed by the small fishes. Small fishes producer ಗೆ weight compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು weight ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So large fishes is having still more weight compared to the small fishes. So this kind, okay. So this kind of a pyramid, it is inverted pyramid. Okay, it is inverted pyramid. So in the biomass, if we take an example of an ocean, it is a inverted pyramid. So here saying, if we take another example, example 1 and example 2. So we should take an example of grassland. Okay, we should take the example of a grassland. In the grassland, now the producers, okay, if we take the total net weight of a producers, all the producers, okay, in the grassland total net weight of a producers, all the producers, the weight it will be more, okay. And next, if we take the second trophic level, like D, if we consider the example of a D, there the net weight, okay, the total biomass will be less. And this followed by this D, let's take an example of fox here. Okay, so this is T3. So now weight ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ವೇಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಗೆ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಡೀರ್. ಸೊ ಡೀರ್ ವೇಟ್ ಇದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡೀರ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ it is still less in the biomass when compared to the deer. So in the grassland, in the biomass, it is upright. Okay, it is upright pyramid. Okay, it is upright pyramid. Okay, it's a upright pyramid. So now we have discussed about the number. Next, second one is biomass. Now third one we shall see, that is energy. Okay, energy pyramid on the basis of energy. And next we shall see on the basis of energy. So here in the basis of energy, so here the ecological pyramid, the ecological pyramid is always upright. Okay, it is always upright. It is always upright because only 10% of energy is being transferred in each trophic level. So energy ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ pyramid, it is always upright pyramid. Okay, it is always a upright pyramid. So why? Because now let's consider here the producers. Okay, this is producers, primary consumer, secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. Okay, primary, secondary and tertiary consumer. Now this is T1, T2 and T3. Now if we consider that the total energy in a producer, if it is of 100,000 units, okay, ಈಗ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ 1000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೋಫಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು 1000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 10% ಮಾತ್ರ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 10% ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ first trophic level. So here 10% energy transfer agutte, so it will be a 100. Okay, it is a 100. Next, T2 in the tertiary secondary trophic level in the tertiary trophic level ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ, so ಪುನಃ 100 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪುನಃ ಬರೀ 10% energy transfer ಆದರೆ, so it will be, so here it is of 10. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so first, okay, that is producers ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, okay, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So as we move on to the higher trophic level, the energy passed in the each and every trophic level, it is decreasing, and only here the only 10% of energy is getting transferred. Okay, only 10% of energy is transferred. So illinda illi, so here only 10%, and in here only the 10% of energy is transferred. So here in this, in the form of energy, it is always a upright. Okay, it is always a upright pyramid. Okay, it is always a upright pyramid. So now in this class, in the ecological pyramid, we have discussed about the on the basis of number, biomass, and the energy. Okay, so by taking an example of forest, okay, sorry, grassland, and then ocean, tree, we have constructed a pyramid over here. So in the shapes of a pyramid, there are 3 types. One is upright, inverted, and spindle shape. So this was all about the ecological pyramids. So in the next class, we shall see about the ecological succession. Thank you.